In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to buy weird houses that will revenue you upwards of $100,000 in gross rental income. Alright, my name is George Salas and I help landlords, real estate investors, and Airbnb hosts increase their cash flow, grow their portfolios without them having to invest all this money through diversified investment strategies and short-term rentals. So I'm gonna show you right here how I structured this property and how I purchased it, how I identified it, and now how we put it out on the market so it brings in over $100,000 of projected income in gross revenues. So the first thing I did was identify the area. The property that came into our radar was this house. It has a 4-bedroom on the front, a 1 attached, and then a garage apartment. The second thing I did is I looked up the address on AirDNA and I looked up the rental gross income, okay? The third thing I did was I analyzed the numbers and I made sure that the gross revenues were gonna match, okay? And we're gonna be what we needed for the price that we're paying per square foot of the house. The fifth thing I did was after I figured out the numbers, what the numbers were, I simply took the expenses, I subtracted expenses such as mortgage, my PITI. I also added the potential number of cleans, which I typically average about 8 in homes. Next thing I added is I subtracted expenses for supplies and miscellaneous, which is about 75 to 100 bucks. Our clean here in one listing, in one property, would be about $75 to $100 for the big house, 20 to 35 for the smaller properties in the back. Okay, the next thing I did is after I subtracted the expenses, I figured out that the numbers would make sense, and all of it done in our calculator. And then the next thing I did is I visited the property. So we're gonna walk back there right now, and I'm gonna show you what I'm talking about. So now that we've identified how to find the property and if the numbers are gonna make sense, now we are on site. We walk the property. As an investor, we can or cannot, don't have to see the property visually, but we needed to see and make sure that we knew that the right amount of cash, that the ratio of the purchase was correct, which we were right at 75% of ARV, or after repair value on the purchase, right on the dot. We're gonna walk into the property and analyze it and see if actually looks good, right? If it's gonna make sense and if it's gonna make the numbers that we talked about. So, number one, there is a 1-bedroom, 1 bath that we rehab here, and it's very cute, honestly. It's about 300 square feet, and we've actually put a small little 32-inch TV. We did the entire countertops. They're granite, Santa Fe granite. The cabinets were already here, but they were repainted. And the floors are actual hardwood, and they were also here. We had to restain the floors. We put a metal bed here, queen size, with 4 pillows, gel pillows, and a couple ornaments. Only 1 table at the end. This property itself has a window unit. There's no AC. There's no actual central AC. This little cute bathroom was also redone completely. So check it out. This property itself is supposed to be projected to be bringing in about $18,000 to $24,000 in rental income per year. This small little thing right here in this neighborhood can do that. So let's go to the garage apartment. This 2-bedroom, 1 bath is a garage, and it was already here, but it was not finished. So what we did is we came in here and finished it off, painted the walls, painted the baseboards, put new flooring here, and fixed all the imperfections, and then staged the whole entire thing. Also, we did the kitchen, new appliances as well, Santa Fe granite, and we redid the cabinets. And we added everything you see here was also added. Check out the bathroom. It's actually a cute little bathroom. And And this property is supposed to bring between $25,000 and $30,000 for the next year in gross rental income. So now we are in the main house. It's a 4-bedroom, 2-bath, and we also redid the entire thing. As you can see, we're putting a trundle bed here, day bed. It's got its own TV, and we also put a bunk bed here. So this area serves as a play area with a bunk bed. People can come hang out here, and then they can also come and sleep, right? No doors. This is the kitchen. Kitchen was fully redone. Appliances are brand spanking new. And as well as this bathroom was fully redone. We kept the hardwood floors, and all of the fixtures are brand new. The tile in the shower is also brand new. We expanded that bathroom. And then here's the living area. In this living area, we simply stained the hardwood floors, cleaned the windows, kept the older windows, added all of these electronics fixtures, staged the property, and now it's ready to go. So I hope it serves you, and please subscribe to my channel if you want to learn tips on how to increase your cash flow and grow your portfolio through short-term rental strategies and diversified investments, right? Let's do it.